Hello guys, welcome to our channel Life Reviewed. So today we are here for a quick unboxing and first impression video of Lenovo keyboard and mouse combo. This is the model KM4802. So this costs around 850 in the market right now. Also another thing I would like to say that there is a newer model of this thing available in the market right now, recently been released. That is the Lenovo keyboard and mouse 300 series, so you can go for that also. That costs around 100 rupees more. So let's just see what's around the box. This has music control keys, special multimedia keys. They have the LEDs to show the statuses of locks and all, caps lock and etc. Yeah, they have this high-rise size, height adjustable. So that's good. Features are, yeah, this is quite lightweight. This is around 800 gram. This is not wireless, this is wired. I needed this for my basic office work. Lenovo makes good keyboard and mouse, so I got this. Okay, let's go ahead and do the unboxing of this. So as you see, this is a full size keyboard. We have the documentation, warranty, let's keep that aside. Good length, the wire's length is good. And this is the mouse. Again, this is, the length is good. This is around a meter each, I guess. Yeah, so yeah, it is quite lightweight. The keys are tactile. This is not mechanical, but the keys has a lot of travel to it. I enjoy